Ball joints. A ball joint is a joint that's used between two components so that both of them touch each other, but yet allow them to be movable freely and rotate in any direction. So to create a ball joint, we are going to end up with three undefined rotational degrees of freedom, and we're going to restrict the other 3 degrees of freedom at a common point. So we're going to go up and we're going to choose the joint tool, and that's found in the relationships panel. And I'm going to go in the type and I'm going to choose the ball joint. I'm going to connect the first one at the first origin. I'm going to pick down here on this center, and then I'm going to come over here and pick on this center. It moves it over, it animates it, and the reason why it's animated is we have the automatic plane checked on. So we move that around and we say OK, and we have a ball joint. So a ball joint is a joint in which they touch each other, the two components, and they freely rotate in any direction.